Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a recording from Simply Piano on my Android S9 Plus. I'm connected to M-Wave mini keyboard, and I'm going to do a demonstration or attempt to demonstrate some of the issues with Simply Piano, the latest version as of October 2nd. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's Well, let me try the James Bond theme. And one of the things I want to show is that when you play the full song, oh, well, that's frustrating. I need to log into the Wi-Fi. And should be there. Okay, so of importance to note is that Simply Piano markets themselves as a beginner-friendly application. I think they're lying. In fact, I think what they did is they forgot to include a very critical component in their API. You can control the tempo when you are so here you can see the tempo. So keep that in mind when evaluating Simply Piano. It does not allow you to control tempo everywhere in the application.